Today we'll be installing the side mirror sequentials. I had this cap on, already removed it. Now I'm gonna install the original mirror cap, and I'll be removing this right now. I'll show you how in a bit. Just gonna be kind of careful. I managed to take it off already. It was kind of hard, but I was able to take it off. So there are some clips right here. So try to take it off gently. This is the cable that you'll be using right here. I will show you after how it looks. So I managed to take it off. This is how it should look like, and then you'll be removing this little plug right here. It's not that hard, just a little clip under. Gotta push down and then remove. I will show you. So I managed to take off the clip already. Now I'll be installing the sequential mirror ones. Got this off on eBay. Not sure. I tried to find them pretty much everywhere, but I couldn't find them anywhere at all. I was kind of skeptical about this, if they were gonna work or not. You know, they are from China, but I mean, most aftermarket parts are from China, so I was like, to the heck of it. So I decided to give it a try. I already installed the right one. That one's already installed and it works fine. So I'll be showing you how this one works. So pretty much like the other one, you know, has the original clips. You will just have to plug it in, this to this. I would suggest try to plug it in first and see if you connected it right. Try to turn on the turn signal, see if it works. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Test it out if it works. After that, you try to align it to each clip, as you can see right here. And that's pretty much it. Show you how it looks after. So now, as you can see, they work just fine. I mean, like I said, it's aftermarket, so there might be a little gap, but other than that, it's stiff. I think they look pretty cool. Gives a different look to it. As you can see, both are working fine. So they are smoked out originally. So I haven't seen a video of sequential on a Camry on YouTube, so decided to do one for myself, since I didn't see nobody out there made a video of sequential turning signals on a Camry. So this is how it looks. You just put the original mirror cap back on, clipped, and that's pretty much it. That's how it looks after. Put the mirror cap back on, and then I'll be installing the wings that I took off. I had to take it off to install the sequentials in order to remove the mirror cap. But yeah, it looks pretty cool.